Welcome to week 4. This week we're going to focus on climate change politics, policy, and diplomacy. And we're going to further the research on the climate change debate, those who believe it's a real problem and those who are still skeptical, with a heavy focus on politics at the US level and worldwide level. Part 1 is going to focus on the evolution of the discussion in the United States, and then part 2, which I'll post on Thursday, will focus on the international discussions around this. Before we get going on this, I want to talk about the assignment and activities for the week. You're still going to be working in your blogs. I want you to use your blogs to make notes about the learning modules. So continue to use those to sort of note down your thoughts and perceptions about each of the stops within each of the modules for both part 1 and part 2. But the assignment this week, I've started a discussion board that I'm calling Who's Who in the Climate Change Debate. And I want you to get into the discussion board and do some investigative research for the class, and it will be graded. So take a look at the discussion board assignment, and I posted a overview of this in the assignment tab, but you'll need to go to the discussion board to actually look at each of the items, and there's a rubric posted with that. We've got a lot of ground to cover, and I'm going to be convening a Hangout Zoom discussion on Monday night at 9 p.m. It seemed to be the best time for everybody, and not everybody was interested in participating, so this is just going to be optional to talk about the week's readings and assignments. So please join in on that. I would say make your first stop the learning module for the week. Take a look at that. Take a look at the reading assignments. There will be a quiz on Friday, which will cover the readings. And part 1 and part 2 of the learning module will cover the politics of climate change, as I mentioned. So email me if you have questions, and you could also bring your questions to the discussion tomorrow night, and I look forward to talking to at least some of you, and I look forward to reading your blogs and the discussion board and reviewing your homework assignments.